Okay, now that we have all the exterior walls drawn, the back wall laid out, side wall laid out, front wall, and the other left side. Front, right, left, back wall. Now comes the inside walls. These is no kind of easy way to do this, besides having to rebuild it again flat. Because basically here we're drawing these. If you're given a sheet of cardboard, a ruler, and a pencil, and we're asked to draw out the shape of the wall and then cut it, that's what we're doing. We're drawing the shape of the wall on some flat cardboard. What would be the simplest way to explain this? Let's just see what happens here. I'm going to try a step. I'm going to try to find a camera angle that can see a majority of my lines. The left edge, bottom edge, right, they're all there. I'm just going to kind of pull a tape measure on this. I'm going to go to Tools, Dimensions. So from the corner, this point, I measured that. I'm going to zoom in. If I hover over the line, click and drag, so I have a 2-foot wall. I'm going to click on the point, a 3'6" opening, and a 2-foot wall. Okay, so let's build that. I'm going to build, again, the top view, so I'm going to go to Camera, Standard Views, Top. Well, I know I have a wall that's 7 feet tall and 2, 4, 5, 7.5 feet wide. So I'm going to draw a rectangle that is precisely 7 feet tall, comma 7'6" wide. And I have two of those. I have this wall plus this wall. You could have more than that. I just happen to have two. So another 7 foot by 7'6". Kind of close. I'm gonna move that one a little bit. So let's grab just this wall. Just gonna move it a little bit. Okay, so this is my 7'6" wide. Because my wall is 7'6" wide. And my measurements say I have a 2-foot space, a 2-foot space, and I know my doors are all the same height. They're all 6 feet tall. So this one's not a bad draw. It's up, over, and down. Guide lines can go away. And this wall here, check that one out. This ladder I have, you don't have to have a ladder. I just do in mine. So I have a bunk bed up here. This all builds separately in a whole different file. So again, Tools, Dimensions. I'm going to zoom in, hover over it, click, drag, 1 foot. Find the endpoint, click, endpoint, click. I got a 3-foot opening. And then math-wise, this is 7'6". This is 4 feet. This has to be 3'6". Okay, so I'm going to go back to Camera, Standard Views, Top, and then draw this one the same way. I have a 1 foot, and I have a 3-foot door, and they're all 6 feet tall. And draw that one in. And the last step is going to be to kind of clean up some of the lines, these two wall sections here, from inside walls. I won't need this little chunk, it's going to be a doorway, or that chunk, because it's a doorway. So I'm going to walk through that. And then, earlier I made these channels for these to plug into. I got to build them right now. And then, for simple, I made all these the same. I went 2 feet down, 2 feet up, just to make it simple to draw. So I do all these 2 feet down, 2 feet up. And then our cardboard we're going to use is 3 inches thick. So you got to jump outside 3 inches. These are not lined up. So this 3-inch span is different than this 3-inch span as far as the lines go. That's to be kind of confusing, isn't it? Let's do one at a time. So 3 inch, 3 inch. Oh, try it again. There we go, 3 inches. And I'll have a tab go from this point up over and down. Here too. Down, over, and up. Guidelines can go away. And that point can go away. Same thing over here, 3-inch, 3-inch. So all your inside walls, they're kind of the same as your outside walls. Difference is you may have a different shape of tab is all. These are the 3-inch tab that'll plug into that 3-inch opening for my exterior walls. The laser cutter is going to cut pretty accurate, so make sure you draw these lines in your walls pretty precise. Otherwise, it's not going to work so good. So there we have 2 inside walls, 4 outside walls.